How to change Facebook username. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook username. Without further ado, let's get started. So instead of actually doing the steps within the Facebook app, we're actually going to do it in a specific browser, or actually any browser you have on your phone. So I'm just going to open up Safari right here, or if you have Google Chrome or any other preferred browser you have, just open that. And let's just type in the search bar the URL of Facebook, so www.facebook.com, and make sure that you have logged in. Once you have logged in, let's just tap on this AA icon at the top left corner. And what we're going to do is to request for the desktop website. So if you are on Google Chrome or on your Android phone, you might have to click on the three-dotted icon and request for the desktop website. So just tap on that option. And usually on iPhone, once you click on that, it still shows the mobile user interface. So what we're going to do is to tap on this URL right here. And as you can see, it still says m.facebook.com. So we're going to change that to facebook.com and just tap on go on your keyboard. And that should load up the desktop version of the Facebook website. Once that has loaded up, just click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the website and click on settings and privacy right here. And click on settings once again. And this page should load up and you should be at the general page. So what we're going to do is to swipe to the left. So we're going to see the details under the general account settings. So just slowly swipe to the left and you should see this option right here that says username underneath the name option. So I have currently set it to this username right here, and to edit that, just swipe to the left again and you should see this edit option right here that is in blue text. So click on edit, and just to note, your public username is the same as your timeline address. So the format will be facebook.com/your username. So this is the space where you can put in your username if you want to change that. So I'm just gonna add in a little letter I, and it should say username is available right here so that you can use that specific username. So just click on save changes once you have set that up. And you also need to re-enter your password, so just do so. And click on submit over here. You can also zoom out the page by pinching so you can navigate through easily. So once that has been changed, it should say changes saved right here. So that is how you can basically change Facebook username. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.